A few years ago, a CBS News investigation discovered that there were more than 20,000 untested rape kits sitting on the shelves of local police departments across the country. Now, does that mean that there are 20,000 rapists running around on the streets? Probably not. More likely, there are dozens, if not thousands, of serial offenders who are running around on the streets. But that investigation got me thinking when I started working on this show, because I found myself asking the same question now as I did then, which is why? Why was the guy who attacked Angela Rose even out on the streets? Well, because it seems that the courts didn't take his previous crimes seriously. Why were the two boys who raped Delaney out on the street for so long after she was attacked? In that case, it was because Delaney was afraid that no one would take her seriously. Too often, when a woman is sexually assaulted or raped, she is once again victimized after. Not only because people question her story, they question the role that she may have played in that story. They ask, what was she wearing? Was she sober? Was she walking alone? Why are there only 4 felony convictions out of every 100 rapes that occur in this country? That's right, 4 out of 100. And why, after hearing all that, would a victim come forward with so little in return? I asked Delaney, why would you come on 48 Hours? Knowing all that you've been through, you might be opening yourself up to even more ridicule. Her answer? The question isn't, why would I risk it? It's more like, how could I not? This week's Live to Tell is both riveting and inspiring. Join us on Facebook and Twitter during the show and after.